Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine at your home. In this video we will tell you something about picture option of insert menu. First of all you have to open Microsoft Word. After that you have to click in insert option. After that we will click on the picture option. From here you can choose any picture. I am just choosing one picture. Okay, after that you have to click on insert. Picture will be inserted in your document. You can decrease the size of the picture like this, drag and drop. If you will click outside the picture, then format option, you will not be able to see the format option. Okay, after view it will come. Whenever you will click inside the picture, you can watch format option. In the previous video we have already done some feature of the picture options. Whenever we will click inside the picture, format option will be available, and we have already done some options of format option. Now we have to take some text also. We have to type some text also. I have already typed some text. After that you can easily watch the differences. So click inside the picture. Whenever you will click on the picture, format option will be appear. From these options you have to click on the position. Now come here. Whenever you will click on the first, it will look like this. In second, you can easily watch the difference. The text is come on the right side, picture is on the left side. Whenever you will click on this, the picture will be in the center. After that, picture will become on the right side, text will be on the left side. Whenever you will click on this option, you can watch some text is above, some text is on the right. Okay, in this, picture will come into the center of the page and text will cover up all the four sides. Okay, so these are the options. Now just come text wrapping. In this text wrapping option, you have to click text wrapping in line with text. It will come like this. Whenever you will click square, it will like this, and you will click tight, the letters will be tight. Okay, after that we will click behind text. It will come, picture will come behind the text, and if in front of the text, it will come in front of the text, and so many options are available. You can use all of them. Okay, after that bring to front. Bring to front. It is already bring to front option. Bring forward. Now bring in front of text. Send to back, send to back, send backward, send behind text, it will go behind the text. Align, if you want to align left, it will come on the left. Center, it will come on the center. And whenever you will click on align right, it will come on right side. Okay, if you want to rotate it, then you can also rotate. Okay, what is crop? Now we will use the feature of crop option. Okay, if you want to select some portion of the picture, then we can use the crop option. For this you have to click on crop. It will look like this. Now you can crop the picture, only the part whatever you want to take. It will look like this. It will take the part only which is cropped by you. Okay, height and width. You can also increase height, increase and decrease, and width also. Okay, these are the options. You have to use it. After that we will come in insert option. We have already done picture option. Now we will tell you about the clip art option. In clip art there are some pictures which are ready made in your PC. Click on clip art, search for. You can search, like I am just inserting home, and then after that I will click on go. Some pictures related to home will appear. You have to choose one picture out of them. Okay, double click on that, picture will come on this side. You can also close it from here. Okay, you can also maximize the size of the picture. Okay, this was the feature of clip art. Okay, you have to click on the insert option, then you have to click on clip art option. It will ask search for, or you can also search from here my collections. Okay, if you want to search any like flower, FLOWER, you have to click on go. It will show you pictures related to flowers. You have to double click on that, and after that you can close that. You can also increase the size of the flower. Okay, after that click on insert and shapes. Some ready-made shapes are available here. First of all, I'm just deleting all the things. Okay, whenever you will click on shapes option, there will be some ready-made shapes. You can draw them like this star. You have to take out your mouse pointer on the screen, and after that place the mouse pointer on the screen. You have to click the mouse and drag it. Okay, in this format feature, so many different things are available. We will just tell you these things later. First of all, insert shapes. You can also draw some of any kind of shape from there. Okay, insert shapes. Okay, so try these features on your computer and laptop. Okay.